Welcome to the Boldr ProMount installation guide, the step-by-step video for professional installers and contractors. In this video, we'll show you how to securely install the ProMount wired wall mount for the Boldr Smart AC controller. Before you begin, make sure you have everything included in the box, the Boldr ProMount and this installation manual. You'll need a few tools and accessories: a screwdriver, bimetal hole saw, cordless drill, and a 24V transformer. Always follow local electrical codes and turn off power before starting. Step 1. Choose a location for your wall mount. It should be near an electrical source, away from obstructions, and at an easy-to-access height. Ensure that the location has a clear line of sight to the mini split head. Step 2. Using your 60mm hole saw, drill a clean hole at a 90-degree angle into the selected wall space. Step 3. Find a suitable location to install the step-down transformer. Follow the chosen step-down transformer instructions carefully and wire it. Please note that it should output 24 volts. Step 4. Run the 24V wire through the hole you drilled. Make sure it extends far enough to reach the ProMount connection point. Step 5. Connect the 24V wire to the ProMount's wall input terminal. Secure using the clamping fasteners. Make sure all connections are tight and no wires are exposed. Step 6. Turn the breaker back on to test the connection. Place the Boldr Smart Controller on the mount and check that it powers on. If the device powers on, remove it and proceed with install. If the device does not power on, check the wiring. Step 7. Level the mount and secure it to the wall using the provided screws. Ensure the mount is firmly fixed. Step 8. Gently test the stability of the ProMount to confirm it is securely fastened and doesn't shift. Step 9. Place the Boldr Smart Controller on the ProMount and twist to lock it in place. You're now ready to set up the Boldr Smart Controller. Always follow safety precautions. If the mount is unstable, tighten screws. If the device doesn't power on, recheck wiring connections. For more help, contact Boldr Tech support or refer to the ProMount user manual. Thank you for choosing Boldr.